extreme temperatures, heavy loads, material compatibility, lifetime lubrication. Greases have to fulfill complex tasks as wide-ranging as is modern life itself. Decades of experience, flexibility, development based on practical experience and basic research. As one of the leading producers of highly developed standard products, FUCHS gives its customers tailor-made solutions to handle a wide range of demands. Not all lubricating greases are born equal. More than 80% of the greases produced by FUCHS are individual recipes which have been designed in close cooperation with the customer to achieve what he needs. A grease consists of many components, and the quantities of each, together with the way they're mixed, play an important part in the quality of the final product. To start with is the base oil. The kind of base oil used will play an important part in determining the quality of the grease. Another important part is played by the thickener, which provides it with its consistency, from semi-liquid to pasty. After working out the precise method of making and processing it, the thickening components are measured exactly, added to the base oil and melted in. The thickening components react and crystallize. The base oil bonds itself between the crystals. The basic grease is ready. By mixing in additives, the basic grease can be matched to the task it has to perform. First of all, the grease is brought to the right consistency by cooling it and adding oil. Once it has reached less than approximately 80 degrees Celsius, the additives are mixed in. Protection against corrosion and wear, water resistance, compatibility with non-ferrous metals and plastics, suitability for pumping and applying. Before a grease goes into production, no matter whether it's a standard one or a special mix, the recipe is optimized in the FUCHS laboratories. Experienced specialists accept nothing but the best. They guarantee compliance with the strict demands of quality that make FUCHS lubricants outstanding. Quality that's important for our customers. FUCHS are specialists in lubrication, and solving individual problems is not the exception, but the rule. Intensive consulting service, discussions between specialists are substantial conditions. There are not only discussions about applications, but also economic and, increasingly, ecological factors play an important part in these discussions to get a detailed picture of just what's needed. Established greases for a variety of purposes, experience, knowledge, market-influencing development work. With this background, FUCHS can provide an optimum specialist solution for almost every lubrication job. No matter whether it's a major plant or something that needs the tiniest drop of grease. Our customers' work often gives us ideas for new and further development, something that FUCHS as lubricant specialists take for granted. We build quality into our products and ensure that our products work reliably in practice. The unique FUCHS test field gives us plenty of opportunity to investigate and optimize lubricants under practical conditions. As well as the standard tests, such as long-term roller bearing tests, we use special test rigs and setups to optimize special greases under simulated practical conditions with original components. High-tech test rigs, such as this drive shaft test rig, allow to optimize the grease in extensive tests, even for complex lubricating tasks. Long before the grease goes into production, long before it starts reliably protecting the component, machine or vehicle, it has proved its quality and its suitability for the job on the test rig, backed up with statistical evidence. Test criteria, methods and input are designed only for the task in hand, without compromise. Quality is the main consideration, even during production. Absolutely everything is monitored. In a modern plant, the various recipes are manufactured exactly as worked out in the laboratory, but on a larger scale. Whether it's a special grease or a standard product, top quality criteria ensure the constant high standard quality of our lubricating greases. The broad service provided by FUCHS doesn't stop with the quality of the products. FUCHS puts emphasis on optimizing logistical processes so that they can react individually and flexibly to their customers' highest demands. Every package that leaves our modern high-rack store is guaranteed to fulfill the highest specifications and demands. That's what our customers rely on all over the world. Above all, it's this trust that gives us the assurance that we're doing the right thing. Not relaxing in our work on research and development, not looking on the dynamics of technical progress as a problem, but as a task, improving our products constantly and opening with our customers new application niches. Service from FUCHS, as individual and flexible as life itself. Innovation and efficiency for generations from one source. FUCHS Lubricants, committed to move your world.